Obol Collective I can kind of play with because they're kind of related to DAppNode as well. This is a distributed validator technology. So the idea here is like, what if you could run multiple nodes that are backups for the one node? So if you're solo staking, you have your node, but then what happens if the power goes out, right? Oh no, your node's shut down. So with distributed validator technology, you can have multiple nodes running together to run one node, right? And so if one thing goes down, it doesn't just turn off, it's like redundancy. And so this is really important work, unsung heroes. Obol is a pretty cool major player in that space. They are also creating things you can do like multi-sig nodes, DVN, for instance, that hack for help DAO and layer 0 recently. Like if they were using 5 or 6 different nodes, I think this is effectively the DVN 2 of 2, 3 of 3. This is the requirement, right? You can imagine multis for nodes that the nodes have to agree. So if you want to hack that node, you have to hack 4 different physical environments or 4 different software setups, right? To be able to corrupt that node. And as you can tell, sometimes if you have one node that is the source of truth for what's happening on a blockchain, you might end up getting hacked by North Korea. It's clearly an important piece of infrastructure that we need in this space.
One thing I'll add about Obol is one thing that we're really proud about on Ethereum is the 100% uptime. And it's people like the Obol Collective that are doing the unsung hero work that's making sure that 100% stays alive. Like, yes, we have client diversity, but do we actually have diversity within each validator to make sure that if you're running software that has a bug in it, you're not attesting to an incorrect state? And Obol is doing that type of work. Like Lido is using them, and a bunch of the big players are actually using Obol in the back end. So shout out to Obol. Up next, we have